Editing shift code. Long press and click on Edit File. Delete the original QR code. Click on this icon. Click Advanced, click Plus. If there are 2 shifts in a day and each shift has different printing content, select a shift above. Edit the content here as day shift. Setting the time to 8 o'clock means starting from 8 o'clock am. Click Refresh. Then select another shift. Edit content as night shift. Set the time to 20 o'clock. Refresh. This is the setting of shift code. General are some common settings, such as position, font, size, spacing, etc. Click OK now. The system's current time is 11:49 o'clock. It is within the time range of the first shift, so it displays day shift. Let's change the time to 21 o'clock. Click on Other Positions. Now the content will be changed to night shift.